Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to hire a great editor on Upwork. Before we even start searching for an editor, it's crucial to define your project needs clearly. Ask yourself, what type of content are you editing? Is it a video, audio, or written content? What's the scope of the project and what's your deadline? Do you need someone with a specific expertise like a video editor who specializes in YouTube content or a video editor for technical writing? By having a clear understanding of your needs, you'll be better equipped to find the right match. Next, you will need to create a detailed job post that attracts the right candidates. Start with a clear and specific title like Experienced Video Editor for YouTube channel or Editor needed for an ebook on technology. In the job description, outline your project requirements, the type of editor you are looking for, and any specific skills or experience needed. Be sure to include the project's deadline and your budget. The more detail you post, the easier it will be to attract qualified candidates. Once your job post is live, you will receive a lot of proposals from editors. So, navigate to the review proposal page for your job post. Start by looking at their profiles, check their experience, ratings, and portfolio. Look for editors who have worked on similar projects and have positive feedback from clients. Pay close attention to their cover letters. A well-written personalized proposal indicates that they have taken the time to understand your needs. After narrowing down your list of candidates, set up interviews with the top contenders, and during the interview, ask about their previous experience, their approach to editing, and how they handle tight deadlines. Request examples of their work, preferably projects similar to yours. This is also a good time to discuss your expectations, the project's scope, and any potential challenges. A good editor should be able to communicate effectively and demonstrate a clear understanding of your project. If you are unsure about which candidate to hire, consider giving them a small test project. This could be a short video clip to edit, a chapter of your book, or a section of your blog. A trial project allows you to assess their skills, attention to detail, and turnaround time. It's a small investment that can save you from hiring the wrong person. After reviewing the test projects, you should have a clear idea of who is the best fit. Make sure to communicate with the selected editor, discussing project timelines, payment terms, and other expectations. Once everything is agreed upon, go ahead and click that Hire button just after that editor's name. Be sure to use Upwork's contract features to protect both parties and outline the scope of work clearly. So hiring a great editor isn't just about one project. It's about building a long-term relationship. So provide constructive feedback, be clear about revisions, and communicate regularly. A good working relationship can lead to better results and more successful projects in the future. Don't forget to leave a positive review if you're happy with their work, which will help them grow their freelance career and keep them motivated to work with you again. And that's it for today's guide on how to hire a great editor on Upwork. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect editor for your project. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.